Welcome back to my channel. Today I want to make a quick video about the Gravis Advanced Joystick. This joystick was issued around about 92 and that is a special edition which has a transparent casing. It is a Gameport joystick which is perfectly suited for MS-DOS gaming. And I want now to show you the basic functions. For that I connected the joystick with my PC and have this program running. It's called Thrust and a joystick tester, and it makes it easy for me to show you the functions of the joystick. First of all, we have here the power buttons. This is A1, A2, and I have a third power button. This is A1, and I can configure the fire buttons with this three wheels, and when I turn the first wheel here, I have A1, and when I turn in the other direction I have A2 here on the lower fire button. And if I turn the wheel in the middle, I can select the function of the fire button on the stick. If I turn the wheel down, I have A2, and if I turn the wheel up, I have A1, and I have a similar function here on the upper fire button, which is configured by the upper wheel. And now I have selected A1, and I can change this. When I turn the wheel down, I have A2. So that's a pretty handy function if you have a special game which uses a certain button for a certain function. You can map your function with this wheels. Another function of the advanced joystick is here this wheel. It is used to calibrate the stick, and now it's pretty stiff, as you can see, and when I turn it in the other direction, it's completely soft. So there's no feedback, and the joystick is not centered anymore. So it depends what game you are playing, and probably for like a flight game or space flight simulator, it's more useful to have no center or no spring back of the joystick in the center, and for other games it's probably more useful to have the joystick centered. Now it's centered again, so that's for me my basic setting to center the joystick. Yeah, that are pretty much all the functions the joystick has. As I've already mentioned, the joystick is an analog joystick. It works perfectly on MS-DOS games, and yeah, it's especially for flight simulation and arcade games a pretty good choice. It's not so expensive. You can get it on cheap on eBay. It has very reliable carbon fiber potentiometers built in and micro switches so it's a pretty good joystick, and I can only recommend the joystick for DOS games. So thank you for watching my little review on the Gravis Advanced Joystick.